Hi, and a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Dr. Rima Ranka. I am a women's health physiotherapist and a childbirth educator accredited by the School of Lamaze. So, today we are going to talk about what is a healthy and a happy pregnancy. We all want that our pregnancies be very healthy and be natural and we have a very comfortable delivery. So during all this phase of pregnancy, we have so many questions in our mind. हम सभी को चाहिए कि हमारी प्रेगनेंसी बिल्कुल हेल्दी रहे, सेफ रहे, हमारा बच्चा ठीक रहे. बट आप में से कितने लोग ये सोचते हैं कि आप कैसे रहेंगे? How much do you think about yourself? That is why I want to highlight the issue of a healthy pregnancy. हम सब जब डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो पूछते हैं बच्चा कैसा है, बच्चे के मूवमेंट्स कैसे हैं, बच्चे को बराबर ऑक्सीजन वगैरह जा रहा है या नहीं, उसकी हार्ट बीट्स कितनी हैं. हाउ मेनी मदर्स गो एंड आस्क कि एम आई ओके, मेरे बॉडी में जो चेंजेस हो रहे हैं क्या उसके लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं. मैनी ऑफ अस जस्ट अज्यूम कि प्रेगनेंसी में अगर हमारे साथ कुछ हो रहा है, जैसे कि बैक एक हो गया, लेग पेन हो गया, स्वेलिंग, वॉमिटिंग, वी ऑल कंसिडर इट नॉर्मल. इफ यू विल आस्क समवन, दे से अरे प्रेगनेंसी में इट इज नॉर्मल. बट व्हाई इज इट नॉर्मल? इज इट नॉर्मल टू बी अनवेल इन प्रेगनेंसी? Is it normal that you should not be a healthy pregnant woman? Absolutely not. You can definitely be a healthy woman just by inculcating some practices in your daily life, which I would like to highlight. The first one is, please invest in yourself. With invest in yourself, I mean look after yourself. You are going to be a mom, so look after yourself. Get yourself new clothes, get yourself new skincare regimes, buy yourself wonderful things, invest in some beautiful time with yourself. Give yourself some time. Maybe if you like watching movies, watching the TV, or reading something, do it. Give yourself time. Everything should not be only about that I have to do this things for the baby. No, you need to do something for yourself as well. And that is the best way to achieve a happy pregnancy, because only a happy mother will give rise to a happy baby, right? So the first point is indulge and invest in yourself. Second one will be, don't be afraid to ask help from others. Be open, be frank, ask as many questions as you want. You have the right to ask your family members, your husband, your relatives maybe, for any kind of support that you are looking for. You don't have to be bound that no, how can I ask this question, how can I, not only with your friends and relatives, even to your doctor or your healthcare provider. Just be very frank. Whatever question you have, you might feel कि it is such a silly question, कैसे डॉक्टर को बार बार पूछे, but maybe it is something important. So don't hesitate in asking questions. The third one will be, look for support. With support, I mean, like I am a childbirth educator from the School of Lamaze. There are many such childbirth educators. Now what we do is, we train you through the entire process of pregnancy, right from the time you have conceived till the time you deliver your baby to after that. With this kind of help, not only do you get emotional and educational benefit, what happens is you are thoroughly prepared for your pregnancy. You have an idea कि क्या होने वाला है, क्यों होने वाला है, या अगर कोई सडनली मेडिसिन चेंज हो रहे हैं या सडनली नॉर्मल से सिजेरियन का डिसीजन ले रहे हैं, व्हाई इज इट हैपनिंग? यू आर ऑलरेडी वेल प्रिपेयर्ड. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, यू हैव समवन टू सपोर्ट यू ऑल द टाइम. अ चाइल्ड बर्थ एजुकेटर विल टीच यू एवरीथिंग, जो भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. आप बोलोगे कि ये मैं गूगल से या बुक से पता करूँगी, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, बट हर चीज़ शायद इंटरनेट इतनी पर्सनली आपको रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाएगी. एंड एवरी प्रेगनेंसी इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. जो इस प्रेगनेंसी में आपके साथ हो रहा है शायद किसी और को ना हुआ हो. So that is why it is important that look for support. That is my third point. Fourth point would be keep some time for yourself to read, meditate and exercise. Most importantly, exercise. Because what many women feel is now that I am pregnant, I can not do any exercise. I am on bed rest. So 9 months I will not do anything, and after that I will begin my weight loss journey. But it does not work like that. If you keep on putting those extra kilos in your pregnancy, it would be very difficult to shed them post the delivery. तो ऐसा नहीं मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आप कहीं ट्रेडमिल पे भागो या कोई वेट लिफ्टिंग करो, बट very simple basic exercises which you can learn from any physiotherapist that you know. Just simple exercises so that you can improve your core strength, because what happens in pregnancy is your stomach will increase, your the muscles of the abdomen will tear apart a little. That is called diastasis recti. So to avoid that, we can do core exercises. Post your delivery, you will need a lot of arm work. So for that, you can do a lot of hand exercises so that your arms are already strengthened. You need to do some stretching exercises which are very important, because if your joints are very tight, you will like if your joints are already very tight, you will have muscle cramps, aches and pains. So that is the thing. And of course, one of the most important exercises, Kegels exercise. So what is Kegels exercise? It is a pelvic floor exercise, because प्रेगनेंसी में क्या होता है, जो नीचे का पेल्विक फ्लोर है वो थोड़ा सा लूज हो जाता है. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज जो अपना जो वजाइना है, यू जस्ट नीड टू पुल इट इन एंड आउट, इन एंड आउट. इतनी सिंपल एक्सरसाइज है, बट इतनी इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज है, बिकॉज अगर आपकी पेल्विक फ्लोर की मोबिलिटी सही रहेगी तब आपको डेफिनेटली एक नॉर्मल डिलीवरी अचीव हो पाएगी. सो फॉर दैट यू नीड टू do these 4-5 kind of exercises. I'm repeating. One would be breathing or meditation exercises. Second would be stretching exercises. Third would be all the strengthening exercises. Fourth is Kegels exercise, that is vagina tightening exercise. So these are the things you can do to remain healthy. And of course, last and most important thing is the diet. प्रेगनेंसी को एक एक्सक्यूज बना लेते हैं कि हम कुछ भी खा सकते हैं, कुछ भी पी सकते हैं. Of course, I'm not saying don't fulfill your cravings. You can do that, but there has to be a limitation to everything. कोई भी चीज़ ओवरडू नहीं करनी है, और जो भी आप खा रहे हो या पी रहे हो, if once you can get it consulted from someone, it is very good. Keep a check on your meals. Instead of having 3 full meals, divide it into 5 to 6 small meals. Many women have this problem कि बहुत vomiting हो रही है, कुछ पेट में रह ही नहीं रहा है, इसलिए I will keep eating cakes and chocolates क्योंकि वो पेट में रह रहा है. So it is not like that. You can please take help from your doctor or your gynec or from your dietitian and spread your meals. छोटा छोटा मील खाइए, जीरे का पानी पीजिए, वरियारी का पानी पीजिए, इलायची के दाने खा सकते हैं, सो दैट इतना एसिडिटी आपको कॉम्बैक्ट करने में इजी रहेगा. इंक्रीज योर वाटर इनटेक, जितना हो सके पानी पीजिए, बिकॉज यू मस्ट बी नोइंग बेबी इज इनसाइड अ वाटर बैग. बच्चे के आजू बाजू में एक वाटर बैग रहती है. जो आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो आपने सुना होगा कि पानी कम हो गया है, या you must have heard that kind of thing. So for that you need to drink coconut water. आप छाछ पी सकते हैं, आप कोई भी लोकल कोकम शरबत, बेल शरबत पी सकते हैं, anything but stay hydrated. So I would again like to summarize, the key for a healthy pregnancy would be very importantly invest in yourself, make yourself happy. Secondly, don't be afraid to ask questions. Third, look for support. Fourth, exercise. And fifth, look and watch after your diet. So that is what is about a healthy and a happy pregnancy. So we have got a few questions here which I would like to answer for all of you. So Jenny asks, hi doctor, what special precautions to be taken during pregnancy? Hi Jenny, special precautions would be, there are many special precautions for every different pregnancy, and depending on your sonography, your baby health, there are different precautions. But very general precautions being, don't be very hard on yourself, give yourself a little time and your body a little strength to adjust to everything. Secondly, watch what you eat. There are many articles which you can read which you should eat and you should not eat. Another important precautions would be when you're doing exercise or something, please do it under the guidance of someone, and don't just follow some videos and randomly start doing, because your pregnancy might be a little different than others. Okay Jenny. Second question is by Ritu. Swelling on leg, hand, fingers and face is abnormal during 8th month of pregnancy, breathing problem and low BP. Hi Ritu. So the swelling on the leg and hand and face is not abnormal in pregnancy. ये एक बहुत बड़ा मिथ है कि अगर प्रेगनेंसी में कुछ भी हुआ तो abnormal है, या कोई भी कुछ भी दुख रहा है तो वो नॉर्मल है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Swelling is normal. It is going to happen because your body is going to release little more hormones, ताकि आपके बच्चे को और अंदर स्पेस मिले, जॉइंट्स थोड़े लूज हो जाए और बेबी इजीली नीचे आ पाए. Breathing problem is again because the stomach height is increasing. But don't worry, once you reach your 9th month, it will come down again. So then you will be able to breathe much more easily. And you said low BP. For that, you need to talk to your gynaec and they will definitely recommend you some head low or different positions so that you can look after your BP problem. Okay? So the next question is by Hina Chauhan. मुझे कल से 8th मंथ स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, मुझे इवनिंग टाइम में भूख लगती है, क्या खाऊं और इवनिंग में बहुत खराब रहता है. आई थिंक शी मीन्स कि शाम को बहुत ज़्यादा एसिडिटी रहती है और शाम को बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगती है. अगर इवनिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगती है तो इट्स ओके, यू कैन ईट वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट. वॉट यू कैन डू इज़, अगर आपको रात को ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है तो आप सुबह प्रोटीन वाला फूड खाएंगे, यानी कि पल्सेस हो गया, पनीर हो गया, या वॉट एवर चीला वगैरह हो गया, वो आप सुबह खाइए. और आप रात को कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स वाला फूड खाइए, विच विल बी चपाती और राइस, विच विल कीप यू फुल बाय द नाइट. वट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल डू इज़ वो सुबह रोटी चावल खाते हैं, शाम को कुछ स्नैकी खाते हैं, फिर उनको रात भर भूख लगती रहती है, अरे रिटर्न भूख लगती है. सो यू switch the thing, you have something lighter in the afternoon maybe, and at night have a carbohydrate full meal. So आपको वो तकलीफ भी नहीं होगी. और इवनिंग में ज़्यादा भूख लगती है तो आप हेल्दी स्नैक्स के लिए भी ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं. मखाना हो गया, ओट्स हो गया, you can opt for that as well. I hope I solved your query, Hina. So the next question is by Chandani Nirmal. Shall I travel to office during this period or is it risky? It's 8 kilometers from my home. Hi Chandani. So the risk right now is COVID. That is a much more bigger risk than any other risk. So if you feel you are safe enough, because see, for pregnant women immunity is much lower than that of normal people. So if you feel your immunity is strong enough, you can do a rapid antigen check and go for that. But of course you are going to office, so you're going to meet many people, so it is totally your call. Apart from the fact that traveling could be risky, traveling cannot be risky if your gynaec says it's okay, if your placenta is fine, if the baby is high enough, then it's fine. But just for the COVID sake, I would say if you could work from home, it is much better. Next question is by Navlax Kapoor. She asked me, what things should I avoid when pregnant? Navlax, you need not avoid anything when you are pregnant, unless just smoking and drinking. That's the only thing you need to avoid. And of course, being very lazy is one thing that many pregnant women should avoid, because don't give yourself this excuse that I am pregnant and I can just laze around everywhere. Give your health a kick start. Pregnancy is a chance to restart your body, restart your mind, restart your entire life and routine. So make sure you make the most of it. We've got a few more questions. Let's see. So Prachi wants to ask, can too many of ultrasound harm the baby? Yes, Prachi, because ultrasonic waves are radiations. So we do not recommend many scans unless the gynec detects something. Then they do a repeat scan. Otherwise, just the prescribed scans that are done. That's all. Okay. So next question is by Deepika Rastogi. My baby has two loop of cord around neck. Is normal delivery possible? I am 36 weeks pregnant. Yes, Deepika, you can definitely have a normal delivery. Loops are not at all important. Loops of cord do not decide whether the baby will be normal or not. Again, you can meet a childbirth educator or a physiotherapist, because there are exercises which can help in moving the baby positions and all, and the loop of the neck is just fine. Sometimes the baby will just unwind itself on its own, so you don't think much about that. Unless the cord is very tight, then they have to do a cesarean. Otherwise, you can still have a normal delivery. Don't lose hope and keep meditating. Next question is by Chandani Nirmal. It's been 5 days. I have missed my period. Done pregnancy test. It says positive. Much congratulations for that. And my ovulation date was 15 November. Please guide what to do next. What to do next is go and meet a gynecologist. Get yourself done. Get your first sonography done. And check for the best. That just check whether everything is fine, which will definitely be fine, Chandni, hoping the best for you. And of course, you can then also meet a childbirth educator and get more insights in what is pregnancy and how to be a healthier mother. Okay. Next question is by Revati Rajamani. What are the different types of prenatal care? Different types of prenatal care is basically different types of, there is Garbh Sanskar, there is Lamaze childbirth education, there is Kappa childbirth, and there are many more schools of thought. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सब में different क्या है. Everybody looks after the same thing. Everybody is trying to have a healthy and a happy baby. It is just like a carpenter has many tools in his bags. किसी चीज़ से क्या बनेगा, किसी चीज़ से क्या बनेगा, but बनना सबको एक ही है. So don't think about what is the difference between each school. See what suits you. What are you more comfortable with? Are you comfortable with Garbh Sanskar? Are you comfortable with Lamaze? Are you comfortable with Kappa? Or are you comfortable with hypnobirthing? That is one more thing that has come up nowadays. There is water birthing. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. If you want to know more details, you can please contact me and I will definitely help you with that. Lakshmi Mishra, what prenatal care is necessary? Lakshmi, most important prenatal care is taking care of yourself more than anything else. Listen to your body, look after your body, look at the small signs that your body is giving, and always be alert. Okay? So I think that are all the questions that we have. Yes, I think that is enough questions that we've had, and so I hope I have given you all some little bit of information on what is a healthy and a happy pregnancy. But still, if you all do have queries, feel free to put a message down in the link. I will get back to you, and please take care of yourselves, give yourself the priority, be happy, do what you like, and all the best to all of you. Thank you very much.